And just like that, we're back with yet again another update on XRP. Shout out to you guys. I love each and every one of you guys for, sticking around and, showing so much love on these day-to-day updates. But if we're looking across the board, here we are seeing green across the board once again, which a lot of people thought was not going to even happen for the remainder of the year. And here we are. Bitcoin did exactly, and I repeat, exactly the confirmation that I set for itself, and it was able to make its way back above there. And of course, you guys can see the crypto market followed that. Major developments coming out though today. We're going to obviously kind of talk about that. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So XRP is up 5.7%, but the broader market is also up right now, so we need to keep that factor in mind. The price of XRP is able to go back above that $1.50, up 5.5% as mentioned in USD, and about 1% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap approaching $85 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $8.5 billion. But let's kind of go over the major developments coming out today, kind of really understand what's happening. And then we're going to obviously highlight what's happening with the price. So, I'm going to start off with what Good Morning Crypto posted. So if you are an XRP holder, of course, you kind of want to tune into this. So Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse was interviewed by the 60 Minutes airing this Sunday. So this Sunday, I think we're going to hear a lot of stuff that, we don't know about, or potential big bombshells could drop that day or in this interview. But again, obviously it's speculation right now, but a lot of people are anticipating this. So obviously I'm sure everyone in the XRP community is going to be tuning in. So the interview is focused on regulatory clarity, crypto market in general, and how the industry came together to advocate for pro-innovation candidates. Ripple is getting its moment under the spotlight, which could be a pivotal moment for mainstream adoptions and understanding of the XRP ledger. Maybe, he's going to come and talk about a potential date, maybe hint at least a date of the RLUSD launch. And again, obviously a lot of people are anticipating this. So obviously if you are an XRP holder, maybe consider tuning into this. Moving forward, just in, the SEC has filed Bitwise 10 crypto index ETF, which includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Uni, as well as DOT. Huge. This is huge. People don't understand the magnitude of this. And as we've been discussing over the course of the last, few months, the 2025 year, especially now under the Trump administration and, how the SEC is being restructured, I think we're going to see a landscape shift for the ETFs for digital assets. And I think this is just the start to see what's really happening. Speaking about ETFs, you guys can see this for yourself. Chad posted this, 3 in the book so far, more to come. So Bitwise XRP ETF, Canary Capital, we know about that in 21 shares. And I cannot wait once the big boys such as BlackRock come into play. Once the likes of BlackRock come into play, this is going to take it to another level, in my opinion. I think major amounts of money will flow into XRP. And, the all-time high in terms of, the price itself is not even looking like an unrealistic, price anymore at this point. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. So breaking, Bitwise rebrands XRP ETP to Bitwise physical XRP ETP as Ripple announces investment in the product. So, Ripple has announced that they will be investing into this physical XRP ETP. Huge stuff happening. And you guys can really see landscape shift occurring in front of us right now. Things we used to discuss about, ETF, index ETF, which is consistent of multiple different, digital assets. We're getting that now. A few years ago, people used to dream about these types of moments, and here we are, and I cannot be more excited about what the future holds. Not just this bull cycle, we're talking about, the long-term perspective on crypto. It is about to change. I know there's a lot of things, such as meme coins, even though meme coins are a massive part of people's portfolio now. I think meme coins are here to stay. I think we're going to see a meme coin ETFs as well, but there definitely needs to be more regulation towards meme coins because it's not a good image damage on the crypto markets, because it's what we saw on Pump.Fund. If you kind of are familiar with Pump.Fund on Solana, the meme coin platform where you could pretty much launch meme coins. The live streams are getting I think out of control, and I really think Pump.Fund was quite smart enough to kind of get rid of that live stream feature, because I think that was just complete garbage. But yeah, let's continue to take a look at what's happening with the price, because of course, speaking about the price, people are left speechless, and more people are going to be left speechless when they're looking at the Bitcoin dominance. The dominance did not budge despite Bitcoin picking traction up. Dominance actually went lower, which in return has taken some of these altcoins up quite a bit. So like I said, haters are nowhere to be seen, and I continue to think that haters will nowhere to be seen moving forward into the month of December. I think the month of December is going to be quite bullish for the crypto space, but let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been able to do exactly what I spoke to you guys about in the last 2 to 3 updates on XRP. You can clearly go watch that. I said, even though we're seeing the price of Bitcoin picking up, you want to see Bitcoin making its way back above $96,000. That's the confirmation that I had for myself. And when you look at that, Bitcoin is sitting at $96,500, and it would be amazing to see Bitcoin closing its daily candle above this range. If it's able to do that, I personally think we're in for a very exciting, days next, obviously coming up, and obviously leading into Friday. So beautiful in terms of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking amazing right now. You cannot ask for anything better right now for BTC. We have seen the manipulation, which of course started off with a complete fake out. Saw the price falling down to $90,000, not exactly at 90, but 90,800, and it has picked up traction again. So imagine the people that were shorting around this range, complete liquidation occurred for them. So again, a continuous reminder on this channel, stay away from leveraged platforms. Don't listen to any of these, offers that you guys get. If it's too good to be true, it's too good to be true. But let's take a look at XRP. So this right here is the daily time frame. We're going to focus on the hourly time frame to really understand what is happening with our good old friend XRP right now. So XRP is currently sitting at $1.50, but I want you guys to take a look at it on the hourly time frame. So look at this, guys. Here we have it. Here we have it. We actually saw XRP making its way up to the $1.52 earlier this morning. Saw a little bit of a rejection. Of course, it is a key resistance, and we literally spoke about this target yesterday. But if you picked up some XRP literally yesterday at $1.27 at the neckline support of the 61.8, you are up right now 18% on XRP. Yes, you cannot make this up. And right now you can clearly see we have some resistance around this range. If the price of XRP is able to close, around this range or even above $1.50, I think we could be making up for a new yearly high and retesting the yearly high around the $1.63 quite fast, especially faster than a lot of people are anticipating. But I'm really liking this setup right now. You could not ask for anything better. The fact that even though we have seen a market flush, the price of XRP remained within the 61.8. But to be quite fair with you, we do need to realize that the dominance did not go up, because I think if the dominance went up higher, we could have possibly retested below this key support, which obviously no one wants to see. But we are remaining above here, and like I said, a lot of people, haters are going to be not happy about this, especially once we crack past the $1.68 key resistance, which is the 0.50. That will leave a lot of people speechless, and that's only a move of about 12.42% from where we currently are. So I'm loving what I'm seeing here. I think we're about to see a lot of excitement coming into XRP. I think this is just the start, and I think the next move will really take XRP above the last cycle high, which again I think will bring in major FOMO compared to what we have seen right now. If you're thinking we have seen FOMO here, I think it gets more exciting once we crack past the previous yearly high, because that will be a confirmation for a lot of people that XRP could actually be heading towards an all-time high this time around for the first time since 2018. We're about to see excitement coming in. Love each and every one of you guys. Obviously stay safe out there. Lock in profits. There's a lot of bots in the comments. Obviously never send your crypto to anyone. Simple as that. Never invest in any of these spam comment coins. Just watch the video, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and love each and every one of you guys. I tried my best to filter out these comments, but it's so crazy at this point that this keeps coming back. I think there needs to be something in place where we can kind of control this, but I try my absolute best to filter them out. But just want to say, do not ever send any crypto to anyone. Never ever accept any calls from someone that's posing as Crypto ZX or any other content creator. I will never ask you guys to send me a penny. I will never ask you guys to call me. I will never ask you guys to, invest in anything. Never, ever. So pretty much anyone that's in the comments, posing as me or, the spam comments, just be, aware of those. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX and peace out.